Alright, so the problem we're having is with a 2007 Toyota Prius. Take the key, insert it, foot on the brake, something happens there, hit power, nothing comes on, but the green light on the power button comes on. Dash is still unilluminated, and I think that this is another problem. When I hit power again, the dash lights come on, but nothing starts. And I have a red light on the power button. I've checked fuses. I can't find any that are bad. So now if you can see, let me zoom in here. It'll go into neutral, but obviously won't go in to drive a reverse. Park button. Turn it off. We'll try it again. So the first time, all we get is the power, green power button. Nothing on the dash. Obviously that's not working. The clock is working, but the radio is not. And neither is the control center. Again, I hit the power button again to start it. I get a red light, and I get dash lights, but all the warning lights, but no start. Brake is pushed.